Hello, my name is April M.H. Yeager from Joshua Wellness Center. Today, I am going to share one of the many reasons why I love doTERRA. Besides all of the amazing essential oils and products, there are other perks for being part of the doTERRA family, which is very rewarding. Joining as a doTERRA wellness advocate and maintaining the monthly LRP, I receive 30% back in what I spend with reward points, and you can spend these points anytime. Though I saved a few months up and ordered almost $400 worth of free products with my reward points. The following are just a few. The Amavi Discovery Set, to help the men in your life personalize their scent. The doTERRA Bubble Motion Activated Diffuser. This cute little diffuser is so much fun. You just screw in your essential oil bottle on the top, you go ahead and turn it on in the back, and then you just wait until somebody walks by, and a hint of the aroma will diffuse into the air. I love this little cute diffuser. The Malama Collection. I really enjoy the box alone. This little magnetic closure is just perfect. The moisturizing bath bar just leaves your skin so soothed and soft, and the smell stays with you all day. The Nurturing Blend essential oil is just amazing, and I really enjoy using this in my massage therapy practice. The Restorative Hand Cream just makes your hands so soft, and the fragrance is just so calming. I really enjoy that they also used a high quality metal container. It makes me want to keep this jar forever. For a healthy complexion, check out the doTERRA Favrage Skincare Collection, which consists of the cleanser, the hydrating serum, the lovely moisturizer, and my favorite, the toner, just which makes your face so like clear and bright and glowing. I really enjoy these particular skincare products, not only for the glowing complexion and the overall just more youthful looking skin, smoother and softer skin, but also for the really clean ingredients. The long-awaited doTERRA Blue Lotus Essential Oil, to help connect with your higher self, induce a meditative trance, or just bring about a calm state of overall well-being. This oil has many healing properties and a rich mystical history. To learn more about doTERRA, shop or join the team, go to www.mydoterra.com/April Huckabee. Thank you so much for your time and your support. I look forward to learning more about you and your journey.